Journeys down in that drain over there. Between the two ridges. I'm just gonna kind of meander down through here a little bit. See if maybe we might run into one. Let's just get on the edge of this point and see if we can tell where they are a little better. He's pretty far. Come on. Let's go. Fine. Fine turkey. Look at that. Rope on this joker. Oh, double bearded. Kind of shot him a little low. Sitting here calling. I knew they were over there, but the turkey was a lot closer, and he was not gobbling as much because possibly some of these birds were whooping up on him or something. And I said, man, when I heard him gobble over there, and he would gobble every now and then, I said, man, if I can get him kind of over here, we'll be all right. Man, I wish I could have got some killer footage sitting on that tree. Probably didn't get great footage, to be honest with you. But he come walking down this road, and he just walked straight down the road. And he just would not pop. I mean, he was popping strut the whole time, spitting, drumming. Self-filming, I give a lot of guys credit who do a lot of that self-filming, because it is a lot harder than it looks. Mahal. Let me try and call my son, see if I can get him before he goes to school. Oh, thank you, Lord. Without you, none of this is possible. Well, I can get my life chance. Man, it just never gets, just doesn't get old. You know, he got down there, honestly, got down that road, and man, I just said, you know what, I don't think he'll keep coming, because he don't see nothing. I'm trying to spit calls back behind me, kind of towards that bottom, and he was looking over there, but he wasn't having it. You know, he wasn't having it. He wanted to, he really wanted to stay up here and her come to him. So when it kind of looked like scratchy, iffy kind of, I was like, you know what? I think we just got to send it. So. It was awesome.